Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the ZEALSOUND KM8S professional recording microphone set. Make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video so we can go through the features of this microphone. We're going to go ahead and test out the microphone quality first. We're going to unbox it. And so you could actually get this one with the full, arm attachment, or you could just get the one that is going to be like sitting on your desk. So it has either one, depending on which setup you want to use. And so this is going to be very versatile because not only can you do like professional recording on here, it has noise cancellation, it has sound quality of 192 kilohertz. So it's going to deliver sharp, distortion-free sound and has that cardioid pickup as well as the active noise cancellation. So you can simply hold the mute button until the LED light turns green, which will activate the noise cancellation on here. So yeah, you could do streaming, gaming, podcasting, ASMR, or professional recordings. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the box right now. I don't think it requires any knife. You could just lift it up. And yeah, this is what comes inside the set. So let's go ahead and show you right here. You have your user manual. So this is the arm that it comes with. It also does come with a pop filter as well. And so you could read through everything that is inside of here. It's going to give you detailed instructions on how to set it up. And it's plug and play. So it's going to be widely compatible with all your devices. You get noise cancellation, volume control, instant mute. You also do get the RGB gradients as well. So let's go ahead and see. You have your arm attachment that you can attach to your desk. And then let's get all of everything else. So you have your cable, which is going to plug into the headphones. To the microphone, and then you have your type C, and then you also do have your type A. So you can actually convert it right here with the little converter. So that's actually solid. I love when they do that. Let's get everything out of here. And another thing that they do offer is the little plug for your iPhone. So you can plug it to the iPhone. So they have that attachment. They also have the little pop filter right here, which you can actually use to block out the harsh S sounds or the harsh P sounds. So yeah, I definitely want to compare this to the other microphones that I've been using. I think this is going to be like offering some really good quality as well. So this is the microphone itself right here, and it's actually really lightweight. It says made in China. So you have all your headphone, you have monitoring, which is going to have no delay, the type C, the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is where you can attach it. And then, this is like the thing that holds it. So yeah, it feels pretty lightweight in my opinion, which is good. Now you have your little stand right here. I'll probably use the stand because I have two other arm mics attached to my desk. And this is the arm. So just so you can see what the arm looks like, this is going to be adjustable. And yeah, you'll be able to, basically use this. It's very, flexible. It's also lightweight as well. So yeah, it does come with this as well, but I have like two other arms on my desk, so I don't actually need to set this up. So I'll probably just leave this in the box until I need it again. But yeah, I really do like the fact that they added that because that's going to be solid. And then the last thing that I have right here is the piece that attaches to the base. So we're going to set all of this up, and then we're going to test out the quality, and then I'll get right back with you. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And we're going to jump into the sound test after I set everything up. So I just thought about it. A lot of people may want to see how you set it up. So I'm going to actually go ahead and set it up. So first thing I want to do is screw this into the base. So this actually has a little bit of weight to it, so it's not going to flop around on your desk. But you want to screw this into the base so that way it locks in right there. Then you have your pop filter that you can actually, this feels really lightweight. You have your volume right here, so you can turn this up or down. You also have the microphone and the headphone indicator right there. And then this button is the noise reduction. If you long press that, you'll get your noise reduction. So yeah, let's go ahead and set it up. This pop filter will be right in front right here. So you just put this right inside the little hole right there. and that should just lock right in. So yeah, that slides right in. And let's see, does it go all the way in, or just, it doesn't really have to, let me see, does that click? I think that's as far as it goes. So I don't want to break it, but it is made of plastic, so it's very lightweight. And then you can see this part is actually adjustable. So once I put it on the base, I could just turn it on there. So let me see something real quick. This is the thread right here you need to get into. So you have to take this off, I think. Let me see some. Yeah, you have to take that off, and then you screw this in. So you don't want to lose that piece. I'm gonna put that piece away so I don't lose it. And yeah, this is pretty much how it's gonna look when you have it on your desk like this. So yeah, it's gonna be, let me just make sure it's even. And this part actually screws off as well. Like this part is turning. So one thing you can do is adjust it and make it a little bit tighter. So I'm going to screw that all the way down. So now it's kind of locked in. Just like that. Okay, so that feels real sturdy. And then that's pretty much how it's going to look. So you have your part right here for iPhones. If you do have an iPhone, you can use this with an iPhone as well, and just plug it right in here and it'll connect directly to your iPhone. But I have an Android and I have a PC. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in right now. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, this thing is really easy to set up. As you can see, it has the RGB lights, and there's actually a button on the front which allows you to change it. So if I just tap that, I could change the button. Right now, the light on the top right here is green. When that light is green, that means I have the noise cancellation on. If I tap it, so that muted the mic. And then if I long press it, I can actually make it so that I turn off the noise cancellation. So this is how it would sound without the noise cancellation, but I kind of want to keep that on. All right, so now this is how it would sound with the noise cancellation on. And so yeah, you could pick the color of your choice. With the cardioid mode, it's just going to capture all vocal noises straight in front of the mic. So if you're on the side of it, it's not going to really capture, your voice if you're on the side of it. So if you're right in front of it, it's going to capture everything that you're saying right in front of the mic, which is kind of cool. So it also does have this volume knob on the side. So the volume is all the way up. I could actually turn it down, and you can see that my voice will go low. So let me turn that all the way back up. So yeah, it has 10 different RGB lights on here, so you could customize those to your personal preference. It also does have a lifetime support, so that if you have any trouble with this, you will get support, and they do have live support available. So yeah, this is pretty solid. I think it's really straightforward, very easy to set up as well. I do like the RGB light on here with the pop filter. It also does have a shock, it does absorb shock, so it's gonna basically that's gonna basically help minimal distortion on this one as well. So the main reason I think you should pick this up is it's gonna have exceptional sound with 192 kilohertz, and that's gonna give you that high definition quality of sound, and it's gonna basically block out any background noises. It's also gonna be good for gaming, professional recording, streaming, any kind of content creation. So I think this is going to be pretty solid, and it also does have that noise cancellation mode, the mute feature at the top. You're going to get your lifetime warranty on here. You can use it with the arm or the little desk setup right here that I have going on, and you do have the ability to monitor yourself in real time. So there's no delay in my headphones right now. I have the headphones plugged in directly to the mic. If I move back a little bit, it still picks up my voice a little bit from a distance, as you can see right here. So you want to be like maybe this far away from it, so you can honestly get a little bit better detail with your voice and stuff like that. but it is plug and play. So you can use this for PS4, PS5. You can use it with Mac OS, Windows, Android, iPhones, and iPads. So it's very versatile. It basically you can use it with anything. It also has the 10 different customizable RGB lights on here, and it's all in one. And yeah, I'm just reading everything on here. You could basically do live streaming, conferencing. You could also do podcasts with this microphone, as well as gaming and recording. So let me know what you guys think about the overall quality when it comes to this microphone. I definitely think it's going to be a solid pickup, especially I'm looking at the price right now. It's $42 with the arm. If you don't want to get the arm, it's going to take off some money. So it's going to be about $39 or $35 or something like that. So you can get a 10% discount at checkout when you click the link down below. And ZealSound didn't actually see this video before you're seeing it. So you're seeing this at the same time as they are. And I didn't receive any compensation. They didn't tell me what to say. So everything that I'm saying right now is my own thoughts and opinions about this microphone. And yeah, I'm talking through it right now. I definitely think it's pretty high quality. And I definitely think this is a pretty solid microphone, especially for under $50. So if you were looking to up your audio quality on your videos or whatever you do professionally, I definitely think this might be something that you might want to add, especially when it comes to the budget price point. This is definitely going to be something that is going to be enhancing your overall content creation. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this, and I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste. Later, group. Peace.